What is up, guys? This is a quick one for you. Let's just jump right into it. You guys read the title. Start off with the box. The lid, of course, Nike swoosh in quotation marks. Front label, the 10 Nike Air Force One low, color Volt, black Volt cone. Side of the box, off-white creation of Nike, shoebox in quotation marks, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, copyright 2017. Upon opening the box, inside out, regular red Nike sportswear box, followed by off-white paper as well as normal tissue paper, and after that we go straight into the footwear. With the shoe in hand now, well, I can't say I didn't know what I was going to expect. I knew this is what we were getting. I'm not overwhelmed, I'm not underwhelmed, I'm just how I thought it would have been. However, I do think they look better in person than in images. Let's get into the materials. It has mesh, hyperfuse, there's some suede on there, as well as rubber, as well as some other composite materials that I'm not sure what they are. Detail-wise, hyperfuse around the toe box, mesh toe box itself, suede on the eyelets and the heel tab. Heel tab has logo debossed with quotation marks. Of course, you have the swoosh with the orange pull tab zigzag stitched across, air on the heel of the sole. On the heel of the heel cup, you have some lettering and numbering, I guess depicting the sample or production codes. The tongue, of course, has the sideways Nike tag opposed to on the middle of the tongue. Volt laces, saying shoelaces on them. In the box, you have black speckled laces with the orange shoelaces. Inside, we do have the 10 logo with the X as well as the 10 opposed to the Nike Air, which was in the off-white Jordan 1, which is back there. Baby blue pull tab, of course. It's a normal Air Force One. It's just like any other of the 10 Air Force Ones, just in a Volt slime colorway. Inside, of course, same writing. However, it is not as bold because some of it is on the mesh, which was harder to capture the vinyl on. The three shoes I have behind me represent my thoughts on the Air Force One, the 10. First, I haven't worn a shoe this bright since middle school, being the Nike LeBron 10 right there. Secondly, I have a pair of Air Force Ones already, so I really don't feel the need to have these anymore. Those are from the black leather pack, which were also dubbed the Trash to V-Loan models, and I have the Europe exclusive off-white Air Force One. Personally, this isn't my cup of tea, especially in this colorway, as it is already a big bulky shoe. Making it this bright doesn't work for me that well. The black Air Force One back there works better for me. I am actually going to be selling these. Retailing these are $170. I have some offers floating around, so I'm just going to sell these, use these to pay off some credit card bills. That'll be it. Just a quick video. Any questions, leave them down below. Of course, follow the social medias. It's still a nice shoe, not gonna lie. Happy I got it for retail off sneakers. But yeah, that'll be all. And I don't think I'll be filming anything else, so until next year, guys. This has been Katidjoszn. See you guys in the next one. Bam.